Okay, here, Carl Payne again, going to show you how to get a Google account. Now, this website that we're on right here is www.google.com/AdWords, ADWORDS. And all you want to do is you want to click here to begin. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pick a version of AdWords. So I'm going to skip the starter edition up top, and I'm going to go ahead with the standard edition. Click the radio button there, and then we're going to come down here. We're going to click on continue. Okay, now they want to know what language do our customers speak. So we're going to leave English, which is already highlighted there. We're going to come down here, and the radio button's already checked also for countries and territories. We're going to leave that alone as well. Just click on continue. Okay, now the United States is already chosen. If we wanted to remove it, we could just do that and then click here and click on add. Again, we can add Canada if we want. Just pick the countries you want to advertise in there, then click on continue. Now we're here already ready to write our ad. So this is we'll go ahead and start to type an ad in, and you can see that we have limited characters per line. The headline is 25 characters, so we've got Global Resorts Network there. And for the description, line 1, description, line 2, then we have a display URL, which is what it's going to show to our prospects. And then we have the destination URL, which is where we want the ad to take them if they should click on it. This is where they're going to go. So I'll go ahead and fill this in now. Okay, now, so what I've done is I've gone ahead and I put in some text for description line 1, description line 2, and then the display URL and the destination URL I have as the same, and we're just going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now they want to know what keyword we want to use. So, in other words, when people type in certain search terms into Google, Google wants to now know what word or a series of words do we want our ad to show up when somebody types in this particular series of words. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Global Resorts Network. Now you can barely see that there because I have the page squeezed really tight, so you can see everything clearly, but this is going to be a box. It's going to be about this size when you see it, and it's going to have some gray text in it. You just remove that text. As soon as you put your cursor in, the text will remove itself. And if I click on this back button here, you can see that that's the keyword that I have there, Global Resorts Network. Whoops. I'm going to put a K at the end of that. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now they want to know how we're going to pay for the account, what currency. USD is fine. And then we're going to go ahead and enter our daily budget, and we want to go ahead and do something like at least $100. And then what we also want to do is this is how much we're willing to pay Google per day for an entire campaign. And when someone clicks on our ad, how much are we willing to pay per ad? So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and click on, let's say, $2, and we'll come down here and click on continue. Okay, now they're giving us the opportunity to edit everything, and we can always edit this stuff later, so we're not going to edit anything right now, even if we wanted to. And we're going to go ahead and click on continue to sign up. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to pick which radio button best describes you. If you already are using a lot of the Google services, you click this radio button. If you're not, you click this radio button here. I'm going to go ahead and click on No, I do not, and they're going to go ahead and have you create an account for yourself. Type in your email address, your password, re-enter your password. You're going to come down here, punch in a special code, and go ahead and create an account. After that, you probably have to check your email box to verify a confirmation email. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and log into your account and get started advertising on Google. And by the way, I do the they bill you as you go. That's the choice that I take. I don't do the prepaid account. If you wanted to know once you get inside of your account, they'll have you set up your different payment options. Okay, we'll meet you in the next